Let's take a look at this Whirlpool genuine OEM power supply kit, compatible with major brands, including Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, and Amana. This industrial-grade kit is designed to provide compatible dishwashers with a 6-foot, standard, 120 volts plug-in cord. And using genuine OEM parts ensures that wire gauges and insulation ratings match your appliance's requirements. Conveniently, the wires are already pre-stripped, and the green ground wire is already fitted with a ring terminal. You should note the plug orientation, as it places the cord closest to the prongs. The kit includes a protective wire sleeve that you can use to prevent wire chafing in the outlet box. And a small Ziploc bag contains everything else you need for installation. There is a strain relief clamp used to secure the cord to the dishwasher terminal box. And 3 wire nuts. Let's go ahead and hook this up. We have already taken the cover off of the terminal box on our Whirlpool dishwasher, and as you can see, there is already a hole there for the strain relief. The strain relief clamp has 2 parts, the metal clamp itself and a threaded collar. With the collar off of the clamp, we insert it through the hole from the outside of the terminal box. Then inside, we spin the collar onto the threads until it is tight. We also use the end of a screwdriver to push the collar and make sure it is fully secured to the terminal box. The next step is to run the plug through a hole under our sink where our outlet is located into the dishwasher area. From the other side, we pull it completely through. The 6-foot length provides ample reach for this type of layout, allowing us to reach the terminal box easily, even with the dishwasher completely pulled out from under the counter. In addition, the cord's thick outer jacket is heavy-duty, designed to withstand heat and humidity typically found under kitchen counters. From the back of the terminal box, we thread the cord through the strain relief until the wires are completely through, and we can tighten the clamp on the insulated cord. Then, we use a small screwdriver to compress the clamp on the cord to ensure it is held in place and will not pull out. We didn't do it in our case, but this is also where you might want to use the protective wire sleeve around the cord to additionally protect it against any chafing from the metal clamp. Ensuring the metal strain relief clamp securely holds the cord is a critical safety component. It prevents the cable from being pulled out of the terminal box accidentally, which could cause a short circuit, and if it is not secured properly, dishwasher vibrations during the wash cycle can loosen electrical connections over time. Now, with the cord secured, we move to the front of the terminal box. Inside the terminal box, there are matching colored wires, black for hot and white for neutral. There is also a green ground screw. We'll attach the green ground wire first by removing the ground screw. Then, since the ground wire from the cord already has a ring on the end, we can easily just put the screw through the ring and screw it back into the terminal box. The ground wire is perhaps the most important for user safety. It protects the dishwasher's electronic control board from static discharge and power surges. As such, make sure the screw is driven down tight against the metal chassis to ensure a continuous path to ground. Next, we just match the colored wires, black to black and white to white, and use the included wire nuts to secure the wires from the terminal box to the corresponding wires from the cord. Again, the provided wire nuts are correctly sized for the gauge of this cord and the internal dishwasher wiring. Once completed, we can just put the terminal box cover back on and screw it back in place. As we do this, we make sure wires don't pinch between the box and the cover. And that is pretty much the full installation. A couple final notes as we complete this. While you can also hardwire a dishwasher, this kit allows for easier maintenance. If the unit ever needs repair, you can simply unplug it rather than dealing with the circuit breaker. It also makes moving the appliance for floor cleaning or kitchen updates significantly more convenient. Also, some users mention the strain relief can be tricky to tighten in cramped spaces. In that case, we recommend tightening the relief onto the cord slightly before inserting it into the terminal box. Over several months of use, this power supply kit has remained reliable. There are no signs of wear on the heavy-duty jacketing, and the plug remains cool even after heavy sani rinse cycles. It is a one-and-done, high-quality, UL-listed solution for anyone looking for electrical peace of mind in their kitchen. Now, after all that, let's go ahead and check out the final product. With the dishwasher back in place, and the plug connected under the sink, everything works great. We hope you found this video informative.